Hi guys, I'm Sydney,
I'm Rachel.
and today we will be opening up the World EP1 movement by Ateez.
3, 2, 1. So these are the Digipacks. So let's look at the CD. Wait, oh, you see stuff?
Okay, so first we see this beautiful photo of Wooyoung. And then we see the beautiful disc. Yes. Beautiful. You see WY Wooyoung. Then we go to the very back. We see the world episode 1.
First we have Propaganda,
Second we have Sector 1.
Cyberpunk,
Gorilla.
The Ring,
WDIG. Where do I go?
and New World.
Yeah.
Let's go into the goods.
Wooyoung. Wooyoung. Propaganda. Sector 1. A Wooyoung. Gorilla. The Ring. Where do I go? New World. Oh my god! Look at it, it's your song.
Credit.
Our poster of Wooyoung. Photo card number 1. You know. Photo card number 2. Wooyoung. Photo card number 3. Yes, Wooyoung. The contacts are killing me at the moment.
Green screen. Okay, so let's move on to the next one.
Next we have Hangjong, the captain of the ship. And it's the same exact CD with the photo of Hangjong. Now I shall pull out the goods. Same exact code for everyone, so you can just steal it.
So you can just steal it.
See, look, it's the same one for Young.
So you can just steal it.
First we have the footwear book. Hangjong. And the songs again, the lyric book. Yes. More Hangjong.
Is that McDonald's?
No, that's a B. Bling. Hey, look, it's Yosung again.
Oh,
I
can't forget the
credits.
credits.
Ooh, ooh. This is Hangjong. Poster. First we have Wooyoung. More Wooyoung. Next we have Yunho. Next we got Sun. What the heck is that?
You can see the dot of the camera.
And that is all.
Let's go on to the next one.
Next we have Sun. Next we got the lyric book. Sun. Choi Sun. Where's Sun? Easton. The Easton. Sun.
Oh, if you look at the bottom, his name is right there.
Sun. Sun. Your son.
And the credits. Very nice.
These photo cards are getting flipped when I'm opening it, so I see half of them are. That's why I'm screaming. So oh, yeah, I know like the. Sungwa. What's wrong with these contacts? They make me feel like it's an old Yo, son. Sungwa. Now we have. Oh, look at that long arm. Let's go on to the next one. Next we have Sungwa. Same CD as always. Sungwa. More Sungwa. 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 Why is his hand almost every single time up? Sungwa. Hey, yo, look! Your song!
The credits.
Poster song of Sungwa. Photo card number 1. Sun. Photo card number 2. Jungho. Photo card number 3. Same exact song as always.
Wait, duplicate?
Duplicate. Let's go on to the next one. Next we have Yunho. Yes, we got the Yunho album. Yunho! The songs. Yunho. More Yunho plotting some stuff. I hear a furry. More Yunho. Yunho. Oh, Yunho. Guess who's coming? Yosung. Guess who's my bias? Totally. Yunho poster. Be jealous. Photo card number 1. Sungwa. Photo card number 2. Another Jungho. And another Young. Where's Mingy? And now let's go to the next one. Next we got Jungho.
Wow. There we go.
Jungho. Oh, there you go. I thought I was missing one in the photo card. What? Jungho. Oh, would you be my Valentine? More Jungho. Even more Jungho. Yeah! Yosun. Guess who's my bias, y'all?
Is it credit?
Bing. Another song.
Another duplicate.
Dude, we're just gonna post. Where's my other Yosung? Where's my other Mingy? Another. It's the.
I think this is the duplicate.
Jesus.
The whole duplicate pack.
Song. The whole duplicate. Next, we shall move on to the second to last one. This time we have a Mingy, the Lord Mingy.
Yes.
Is that a punching up? Yes, Lord Mingy. Now we go. Mingy. Someone's playing. Someone's playing. My turn from Gravity. Lord Mingy. 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 I sense a Yosung coming up. I saw it. Oh, never mind. It's like a one. Is it one more page? See, Yosung. Credits. Mingy. First we got
Ah!
I think I know who it is.
Flip.
Son!
He did the flip.
You know. Now let's move on to the next one. We saved the best for last. Yosung!
Wow.
Hey! The same exact CD. Okay, so copy and paste, copy and paste. Yosung! More Yosung. Even more. Even more Yosung. 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 Yosung.
Oh, he's overheating the camera.
It's too much.
That sounds wrong. That sounds super wrong. It's just the Digipacks. Calm down. And the credits.
The poster. I swear I saw his jacket when I was flipping. 3, 2, 1. I knew it, told ya.
I think pretty cute.
More duplicate.
I'm guessing the last one will probably be a duplicate too.
Where's my Mingy?
Where's my Mingy? Oh, she got a Mingy. Can she just?
I'm a witch.
Where's the third Mingy? There's one Mingy.
And that is all. We will come back and bring everything out. So this is everything we got in the world. EP1 Movement by Ateez. Don't forget to subscribe to Rachel Sydney's World. Bye. Love you guys. Peace, son. Bye.
Bye.